Hello and welcome to another Unity tutorial episode. In this video I'm going to be creating a main menu for your game, allowing you to switch between different scenes. What you'll need to do first is in hierarchy, right click, UI and then panel. In panel you can change the color, source image or material. I'm going to go with a light blue and turn off transparency. Right click hierarchy again, UI and then button, which allows you to create a button. You can move this wherever you want. I'm going to be middle top, and it also comes with text which you can change. I'm going to do start game here. You can change the color, transparency. Just going to go with a blue here, and you can change it to best fit. So I'm just going to go with 20 there. In Canvas, or wherever you would like, including the button, so we can just add a new script called menu, create an ad, wait for Unity, open the script and remove the two functions, create a new function called start game. In start game we would need to do scene manager, load scene, and here you can either choose to define your scenes by either writing them out by name, or you can choose the number. I'm going to do 0 as that's the first scene. We need to use the Unity engine dot scene management, allowing you to use the scene manager. In the button object, we can define an on-click function. Drag and drop the object where we stored the script in menu and then start game function. This should all be working now, so we can run the game and then test out the button. And there you go. How to switch scenes from a menu in under 3 minutes. Happy Christmas.